Welcome to the Generative AI series. Today, we are exploring 3D model generation. We will learn how artificial intelligence is being used to automatically create three-dimensional meshes, textures, and assets for games and movies. So, what exactly is AI 3D generation? It is a technology that allows computers to create complex digital objects from simple instructions. Instead of manually sculpting a model point by point, you can provide a text description or a single image, and the AI builds the 3D structure for you. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry for 3D creation. The most popular method is text to 3D first. You input a text prompt, like a futuristic red chair. The AI interprets the geometry and style from your words. Finally, it outputs a complete 3D mesh that you can view from any angle. It is similar to tools like Midjourney, but for 3 dimensions. Another powerful method is image to 3D. This can work in 2 ways. Single-view reconstruction takes one photo and guesses what the back of the object looks like. Multi-view reconstruction uses several photos from different angles to build a highly accurate model, which is often used for scanning real-world objects. 2 key technologies drive this innovation. Neural Radiance Fields, or NeRF, use deep learning to predict how light travels through a scene, creating photorealistic visuals. Gaussian Splatting is a newer technique that represents scenes as millions of 3D points, allowing for incredibly fast, real-time rendering of captured environments. Generating the shape is only half the battle. The AI also converts volumetric data into polygonal meshes that game engines can understand. Furthermore, it generates PBR textures. This includes the color map, bump map, and roughness map, ensuring the material looks like real plastic, metal, or wood when light hits it. There are several tools leading this space. Luma AI is famous for allowing anyone to capture 3D scenes with a phone. Meshy is a great tool for game developers needing clean assets. CSM, or Common Sense Machines, focuses on rapidly turning 2D images into world-ready 3D content. Why should you use these tools? First, rapid prototyping. You can generate dozens of ideas in minutes. Second is accessibility. You do not need years of training in Blender to make simple assets. And finally, cost efficiency, as it drastically reduces the time and money needed to populate virtual worlds. However, the technology is not perfect. The mesh topology often comes out messy with too many polygons. The texture resolution can sometimes be blurry compared to handmade art. Also, editing a specific part of a generated model remains difficult without regenerating the entire object. The future is bright. We are seeing better integration directly into professional software like Blender and Maya. Soon, we will likely see real-time generation of entire game environments from simple prompts. AI is quickly becoming an essential assistant in the 3D creative pipeline.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.